Imagine waking up to a world where the rules of the open road have been completely rewritten by a single jaw-dropping machine. We are standing on the edge of a new era in motorcycling, one that honors a legendary past, while rocketing straight into an unbelievable future. Welcome to AMA Auto, where we bring you the impossible before anyone else even knows it exists. You think you know cruisers? And you think you have seen everything the big brands have to offer over the decades. Erase all of that from your mind right now, because what I am about to reveal will absolutely shatter your expectations. Honda, the undisputed titan of engineering, has just pulled the covers off a masterpiece that feels like it dropped straight out of a beautiful dream. This is not just the motorcycle. This is the resurrection of an absolute icon, completely reimagined in a form so stunning it defies logic. People loved it, they mourned its absence, and for years they begged for its return, never expecting it to come back looking like this. The 2026 Honda Interstate ABS is officially here, and it is unlike anything that has ever touched the asphalt. If you're looking for the absolute, deepest dive into this mechanical marvel, you are in the exact right place at the exact right time. Only AMA Auto has the insider access to break down every single glorious detail of this reborn legend for you. Nobody else is bringing you this level of passion, precision, and pure adrenaline regarding Honda's latest triumph. Just look at the sheer presence of this machine. It genuinely leaves you speechless and staring in pure disbelief. It is a masterclass in design that instantly commands respect from anyone lucky enough to catch a glimpse of it, gliding down the highway honestly. Before we go any further, just hit pause and really check this guy's video to soak in the flawless silhouette of the 2026 Interstate. Historically, the Interstate name meant endless horizons, and a loyal following that swore by its unmatched comfort and reliability. It was the absolute favorite of the long-haul rider, the gold standard for crossing county lines and state borders without a second thought. Honda knew that if they were ever going to bring that iconic nameplate back, they had to do something revolutionary. And revolutionary does not even begin to cover what they have achieved. With this entirely new mind-bending 2026 iteration, they took the soul of that beloved classic and infused it with next-generation technology, aggressive modern styling, and unadulterated power. It is a familiar friend returning to you, but now wearing a tailored, futuristic suit of armor. The moment you walk up to the 2026 Honda Interstate ABS, the first thing that hits you is the sheer scale and dominance of its build. It sits low and mean, projecting a muscular attitude that warns the world not to take it lightly, yet despite that aggressive stance, there is an undeniable elegance sweeping through every curve of its meticulously crafted bodywork. Honda engineers spent thousands of hours in the wind tunnel to perfect the aerodynamics without losing that quintessential cruiser aesthetic. The front fairing cuts through the air like a precision blade, protecting the rider while maintaining a fiercely modern profile. It is the perfect marriage of form and function, a delicate balance that only a brand as experienced as Honda can strike. The paint quality alone deserves its own dedicated showcase, featuring a depth and metallic luster that changes beautifully under the sunlight. You can see the reflection of the road in the deeply sculpted fuel tank, which has been widened just enough to look imposing while offering great range. Every single panel gap is practically microscopic, showcasing a level of build quality that feels more like a luxury supercar than a motorcycle. Let us talk about what is sitting right in the center of that gorgeous frame, the beating mechanical heart of the new Interstate. Honda has equipped this beast with a completely overhauled V-twin powerhouse that rumbles with a deep, menacing, yet refined baritone. It sounds like thunder rolling over a mountain, a rich acoustic signature that will give you goosebumps every time you twist the throttle. But this engine is not just about making a beautiful noise. It is about delivering earth-moving torque the second you demand it. The power delivery is so incredibly smooth and linear that it feels like you're being propelled forward by an invisible wave. Whether you are passing heavy trucks on the highway or launching off a stoplight, the 2026 Interstate responds instantly and effortlessly. The transmission is paired perfectly to this new power plant, offering crisp, incredibly precise shifts that snap into place with satisfying certainty. You will never find yourself hunting for a gear, and the clutch pull is surprisingly light for a motorcycle. With this much muscle, it takes the fatigue entirely out of riding, leaving you with nothing but the pure, unadulterated joy of the open road. Cooling this massive engine was a priority, and Honda has integrated a highly efficient liquid cooling system so flawlessly you barely notice it is there. The radiator is tucked away discreetly, maintaining the clean, classic lines of the V twin engine block, while keeping temperatures strictly managed. You can ride this bike through the desert in the middle of summer, and it will not skip a single beat. Now we have to talk about the ABS in the name, because stopping power is just as crucial as forward momentum. On a bike this substantial, Honda has implemented a state-of-the-art anti-lock braking system that reads the road surface hundreds of times a second. It is the kind of advanced safety net that gives you the supreme confidence to ride in any weather condition without a second of hesitation. The dual front disc brakes are clamped by high-performance calipers that bite hard but offer incredibly nuanced feedback through the lever. You can shed triple-digit speeds with just 2 fingers, feeling completely stable and planted. As the massive front tire grips the pavement, it is a level of braking performance that completely redefines what a heavy cruiser is capable of doing in an emergency situation. Suspension on the 2026 Honda Interstate ABS is another area where the engineers absolutely knocked it out of the park. The front forks are robust and inverted, soaking up potholes and rough pavement like they do not even exist. You get a ride that is plush enough for cross-country touring, but firm enough to carve through winding mountain roads with shocking agility. In the rear, a cleverly hidden monoshock system maintains the classic hardtail look. While providing generous travel and highly adjustable damping, you can dial in the suspension perfectly. Whether you are riding solo or fully loaded down with a passenger and a week's worth of luggage, the bike never wallows, never bottoms out. It just glides effortlessly over whatever the road decides to throw your way. Let us focus on the rider triangle, because a motorcycle named the Interstate has to be the most comfortable place on earth for hours on end. The seat is an absolute masterpiece of ergonomic design, featuring dual-density foam that supports your lower back and eliminates pressure points entirely. You sit deep in the bike, feeling completely integrated with the machine, rather than just perched awkwardly on top of it. The floorboards are perfectly positioned to give your legs plenty of room to stretch out, reducing cramping on those endless highway stretches. Meanwhile, the handlebars reach back to meet your hands in a natural, relaxed position that keeps your shoulders entirely strain-free. It is a cockpit designed for marathon riders who view a 500-mile day as a light morning warm-up. Lighting on this newly reborn machine is completely modern, featuring incredibly bright LED technology. From the front headlight to the rear turn signals, the main headlight casts a massive, intensely white beam down the road, turning the darkest country nights into broad daylight. It is an aggressive multi-projector setup that gives the front end a distinctly futuristic and intimidating face. The instrument cluster has also seen a massive upgrade, moving away from simple analog dials into a stunning, high-definition color TFT display. This screen is completely customizable, allowing you to choose exactly what information you want, front and center, while keeping glare to an absolute minimum. It connects seamlessly to your smartphone, putting navigation, music, and call management right at your fingertips, without ever taking your hands off the bars. Storage is an absolute necessity for the touring crowd, and Honda has integrated beautiful, color-matched, hard saddlebags that flow seamlessly with the rear fender. They open with a satisfying, high-quality latch system and offer enough waterproof space to easily swallow a couple of full-face helmets and your gear. The lines of the bike look completely natural, whether without the bags, which is a design feat in itself. What really sets this bike apart from its competition is how light it feels the moment you pull it off the side stand. Honda has managed the center of gravity so masterfully that the weight practically vanishes. As soon as you start rolling forward, it handles parking lots and tight U-turns with the grace of a much smaller bike, completely eliminating the low-speed intimidation factor. The exhaust pipe are a work of art, sweeping elegantly down the side of the bike and finishing in beautifully crafted /cut mufflers. They are treated with a special heat shield technology that prevents the chrome from bluing, ensuring they look showroom new for years to come. And again, the deep, throaty rumble they produce is just music to the ears of any true motorcycle enthusiast. Honda has also packed the 2026 Interstate